Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through a quick and super useful tutorial, how to remove the Add to Cart button from products on your Wix website. So if you're looking to showcase your items without letting visitors purchase directly, maybe you want to create a catalog, take orders manually, or you're just not ready for online sales yet, this guide will help you do it step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to control that little button and create the browsing experience you want for your site. Let's jump right in. First thing you want to do is head over to your Wix web design dashboard. If you're not already logged in, just go to Wix.com and sign into your account. Now inside the Wix editor, you'll see all your options laid out on the left side. Take a moment here. It can look a bit overwhelming at first with all the buttons and panels, but don't worry, we'll go through this one step at a time. Our goal now is to find your products page. This is usually where all your shop items are listed. Look for the menu or the navigation bar within the editor. There might be a button labeled Site Menu or something similar. Click on that and look for anything named Store, Shop, or simply Products. Go ahead and select that page so you're looking at the main list of products. Next, to edit how a product appears, we need to click on an actual product. Remember, you're not changing the entire store all at once, you're tweaking individual items. So scan the list and pick one product to start with. Once you click it, a new panel or pop-up should appear. This is your product settings. You'll see information about the product, like its name, description, price, images. Take a breath here and make sure you're in the right spot, looking at the details for the product you want to change. Now here where things get a little bit tricky, so stay with me. In this panel, you'll see a bunch of tabs or options. What you want to do is click on Settings. Sometimes web editors nest options inside each other, just like opening a folder within a folder, so you might have to hit Settings twice, once to open the general options, and then again to dive into the specific product display settings. This is the key part. Once you're in the deeper settings menu for your product, look for an option called Show Button. This controls whether visitors see the actual buying button, the Add to Cart. You'll want to toggle or disable this button. Usually there will be a checkbox or switch right next to Show Button. Once you disable it, you don't need to worry about guests accidentally purchasing items or wondering where that button went. It simply doesn't appear for that product anymore. And that's really all there is to it. Take a look at your live site after you've made the change, refresh the page, and view the product you just edited. You should see it listed, but with no Add to Cart button showing. If you want to apply this to more products, repeat the same process for each item. Remember, it might take a moment for changes to appear live, especially if your website caches old versions. Don't worry if you don't see the update immediately. Give it a few seconds or try viewing in a different browser tab. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button. It really helps out the channel. And if you have any questions or if you run into any trouble with your Wix product settings, just drop a comment below. I love hearing from you and I'm always happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy, practical Wix tips and web design tricks. See you in the next video.